Welcome back, everyone. Today we're tackling a common household nuisance that plagues many of us, ants. Whether they're raiding your pantry or marching across your countertops, we've got you covered with effective and natural solutions to get rid of them for good. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to identify the type of ants you're dealing with. Different species require different approaches. Once you've figured that out, it's time to move on to the next step. A clean home is less inviting for ants. Make sure to wipe down surfaces, sweep floors, and keep food sealed in airtight containers. Don't forget those hard-to-reach spots like under appliances and behind cabinets. For a natural approach, you can create your own ant repellents using ingredients you probably already have at home. We'll be showing you a couple of quick and easy recipes. One effective DIY solution is a mixture of baking soda and sugar. The sugar attracts the ants, while the baking soda disrupts their digestive system. It's a deadly combination for these unwanted guests. Another great option is a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar. This disrupts their scent trails, making it harder for other ants to follow. Plus, it's safe for pets and kids. If your ant problem persists, it might be time to call in the experts. Professional pest control services have the knowledge and tools to deal with more severe infestations. There you have it, folks. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to say goodbye to those pesky ants. Remember, consistency is key, so keep up with these methods to ensure they stay away for good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy ant-free living.